Lexus anymore. Another day, another addition to the car. And this is one I have been waiting forever for. We are going louder with the car. It already sounds like I would have never thought I'd be saying that, but we are going louder. And in that box is how we're gonna be doing that. Make some guesses of what it is, because I'm about to show y'all real quick. If you said unequal length headers, you would be correct. Just, oh my God. These are gonna sound insane. And as of right now, I think I have one of the best sounding Lexuses, or at least RCFs in the world.
What?
Just so I don't get too much hate. But I think that's gonna top it. They're just so beautiful looking. I don't know what to say. They didn't come ceramic coated already, meaning like where it protects the headers and everything around it from the heat, like overheating and everything like that. It helps cool them down. My buddy Taylor over at Sunset Powder Coating and Sandblasting, I believe, he helped me out, and as you can see, they just look amazing. He did a phenomenal job, and I'll link him down in the description as well. When all said and done, this car, oh my God. My neighbors already hate me, but they might actually sue me now. I'll see y'all at the shop. Car is currently on the lift. If y'all don't know about headers, especially on the RCF, it is like a 10-11 hour job by the book, and you need a place that you can trust to be able to do these type of jobs. And where we're at right now, I trust completely. They are super professional. Keith over at Art of Speed, I'll link them down in the description below. They already have a bunch of the car disassembled, or the parts disassembled that needs to be off. And we're getting close, but still a lot of work left, but I'll link them down for sure. Hit them up for anything you need. Like, they work on really nice stuff. A bunch of client cars are inside of the garage at the moment, and I doubt I'm allowed to record anything of that nature. So I'm trying to be careful and stay away from that, but I will have a couple edits and montages going with the car, make it look good. So stay tuned. Huh? Say something?
Mi nombre es Joshua Opre. Mi carro es de Lorex. Buenos días, mijo.
The headers have successfully been put on. We're about to get the first cold start, the first sound of how it sounds, so I'm excited. Stock catless RCF headers for sale if y'all want them. Am I tough or? I'm looking nervous. Way more opened up. Dude, it sounds like a NASCAR. Oh yeah, for sure. That's good. To like 3,500. Holy. That is so much more aggressive. Bro, it chops. It chops loud. It's a little bit meatier of a tone. It's a little more raspy, but it sounds like, I mean, the chopping, doesn't sound like that is not a Lexus anymore. Well, I don't even know what it is. Sounds insane though, sounds so good. PPE, outdone themselves again. Valvetronic, always on top. Art of Speed, did the most insane job on it. Quick and effective, nothing went wrong. I mean, look how good the car looks. What? What? Yo, that's like twice as loud as it was. Bro, that sounds insane. Oh, my neighbors are suing me. Holy, my neighbors are gonna kill me. They already be hitting me up in the DMs like, bro, shut up. Bro, that's my car? That sounds ridiculous. Yeah, so my car's about to explode. Holy, that sounds crazy. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Recommend you to everybody. It sounds like a GT350. Oh, I'm getting pulled over like crazy. That's ridiculous. It's been about 2 weeks since I got the headers installed on the car. Just letting everything kind of settle in. I'm about to show y'all how everything's sounding. It's crisp. It's good. It's up there on the best sounding Lexuses. Now, like, I'm certain on that now. I'm gonna show y'all POV drive kind of from inside the cabin, closed valves, open valves, revving from the distance because it is that loud. Let's get to that real quick. This is gonna be purely the mic off the phone. Like, it'll just show you how loud it is, but hopefully it shows the tone pretty well as well. Show y'all a little POV drive, how it sounds inside the cabin, but I have every window open, but it's still pretty loud. When my windows are closed, it's actually pretty quiet on the inside, but when they're open, it's just, you know. to stay still, but you get the gist. It sounds insane. It sounds ridiculous. No other Lexus other than maybe Kevin and the Win IS 500. But this thing's unique, I can tell you that much. Everyone knows that the camera doesn't do justice, and for those who haven't heard the car in person, which is basically everybody, the best comparison would probably be a GT350, which by itself is an insane sounding car. It's insane that a Lexus can sound like that. And without PPE headers and without Valvetronic exhaust, it wouldn't. So I'm just super, super thankful for both of those brands reaching out to me and helping me promote their product. Because if you want your Lexus to sound insane, there you go. Once again, I want to shout out Keith over at Art of Speed Garage, where they got you with any mechanical needs, and they work on some pretty insane cars. So if you want someone professional and knows what they're doing, that's your guy. I'll link them in the description below. Also, for powder coating and ceramic coating my headers, Taylor over at Sunset Powder Coating and Sandblasting, I'm pretty sure. Them as well. They're insane at what they do and just super high quality and custom fabrication all the way around. And they'll be in the description as well. Also, last but not least, my videographer, Danny. I'll link his Instagram in the description below. He is very good at what he does. He's not like too big yet, but with his quality of work, he should be soon. And I'm hoping I'll get him to that. All my sponsors for the build and everything that's gone into the car will be linked down in the description below. I'm thinking soon I'll do a video on everything that's on the car. Exterior, interior, under the hood. Just basically every spec. But let me know what y'all want to continue to see. And if these are videos that, engage y'all. Because whatever y'all want, I'll do my best to push it out for you. Remember, drive safe and God bless each and every single one of y'all.